Today we are in one of the most famous Seattle's neighborhoods, Clyde Hill. Hi everyone, I'm Maggie. So today we are in Clyde Hill, one of the most popular and the most expensive neighborhoods in Seattle. And the reason is Clyde Hill is so close to Bellevue downtown. It's only 5 minutes by car and we can even walk there. Although it is so convenient, the whole neighborhood is very private and quiet. So like you can see, we have a lot of older homes and newer homes in this community. And the reason is because some owners, like our clients, understand the potential of this land. And some people buy older homes here, and along the time, the land appreciates so much, the builder wants to buy it from them and then build a 5 million homes. So last year, we actually bought a 5 million home in this community for another client, and they still live there, really enjoy the location and the community here. So this home that I'm going to show you today is like that. It's an older home, it's only 1,200 square feet, but the land is 8,400 square feet. And as you can see, this is the front yard of this lot. So the most important thing when you are buying land is number one, whether the lot is flat enough. And then number two, whether the width of the land is good enough. Because you don't want to build a townhome kind of a style home in that land, right? You want a wider home, a bigger home that brings in all the natural light and has a better curb appeal. So this lot, which I really like, is it has the privacy, it also has the width of the lot, so you can build a really beautiful home on this lot. And I'm going to show you a little bit of this home, but most importantly, we're going to go see the backyard. Let's go. So just want to quickly show you the inside of the house, how it looks like. This is just a rambler. So you're coming through the front door. This is the family room. And then this is the hardwood and the newer windows too. Okay, so you can rent it out easily. The kitchen, they actually upgraded the countertop, but you know, it's good for rental, right? And here there's a patio door and then another door to the side of the home. And there is also a half bath behind it. Let's go see the bedrooms. So here is a full bath with a double sink. And then 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. So very easy layout, but again, you know, if you want to rent it out, it is ready for you. Okay, so now we're at a kind of an outbuilding of this home, and it is a 80 square feet storage. It's kind of cute. It actually is finished, and it has heating, it has power, and a skylight even. So you can make it a gym or a studio or a storage. So here we are in the backyard. So actually the neighbor on our left-hand side, they actually just rebuilt like 10 years ago, and they built a almost 5,000 square feet home, 2-story with a basement. And the reason why the owner really liked this lot is it's actually really dry. So as you can see, the storm drain is actually in the neighbor's lot, and then our neighbor behind us has a little bit wet, you know, kind of a wet dirt at the back of their land. But then our lot is really dry, and it actually very buildable. I actually talked to a lot of builders and they are quite interested in this lot. So I think whoever gets it, you can actually build a 2-story home with a basement if you want. And the basement will give you the extra square footage and make the home bigger, and then of course, better value as well. So after looking at the home, I was thinking, you know, a lot of clients have been asking us, in this kind of market, what kind of investment, if I do want to invest in real estate, what kind of home should I buy? And I really want to tell them, this is the kind of home that you should buy, right? In the best location, and it is a small home on the land that is very buildable, has the potential to grow. Doesn't matter if you want to rebuild, expand, or just flip. And actually, you can increase the value of the home with the sweat equity. And we're going to put this home on the market, and the price is 2.38 million. If you want to see what kind of land you can actually turn into a 5 million home, you can come and take a look at the neighborhood and take a look at our home. Come and join us. We have open houses this weekend. And I'm Maggie. I'll see you next time.